6632 permitted.
6634, sir.
6245 permitted. 6634,
sir.
Nandini permitted. 6634. Yes, permitted amma. And one more 6632. He is not joined. 6632.
Sir, you gave permission.
Ichanama. 6634. See, 6632 I given permission, na? Okay. If anybody, yeah, if anybody left, please tell me. Okay. Now, note down. If finished, I will go for tangent and normal.
Sir, you are saying arcs, no, sir.
Arc Chapala. Okay. See, I will tell CP as a radius. You choose call. You see that figure. CP as a radius. C as a center. I already P point undamma. So no need. P1 to P2 are not different. Then take C as a center on CD line. Cut one line. One line of circle, roll object, not of one dash.
Sir,
two dash.
one
dash,
one is down or one dash is down, sir.
One dash ikkadamma. That's why
PQ line paina one.
PQ line one dash three dash. Hey, Jagratam. First we do 12 parts. Yes, sir. Hey, first ni face kanpadtunda, mirror image kanpadtunda. First we drawn 1 2. First one dash is your mirror in front of her, then only one dash. One dash came is 12 equal parts. So one is above. Don't confuse. C1, C2, 2 line. That line already it is circle. Circle is. But C line sentence. C4, C5 up to choose one. Again, my compass cannot work. I will go on taking it. But don't do this. These all are only for rare when you does not have tool. So see. So what I will do, Amma? 130 I will take compass. Compass tool, Amma. Kanpadtunda 130. Visible for everyone, Amma? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. O as a center. Center is O only. Cut the curve. It may cut here or it may cut down this side. Yes. Two probabilities. So, kanpadtunda. From taken 1/3 and cutting the curve. Wherever it cuts the curve, mark that as M. The point which lying on the curve always represent point M. Now, carefully observe. Take CP as a radius, CP as a radius. CP as a center. The point which I mark. CD, which line you have to cut? Now you see 3-9 line is separate. Many students may see searches to cut CD line. How much it is empty? How much it is? That point with that point join with it is cutting PQ line, some PQ line. Mark that point as yes. I'm writing far away. Don't confuse. Yes, because 8 is there. Now, join yes and M. It acts as a
Normal.
acts as a normal. What I told in cycloid, first we will get normal. Perpendicular to normal is tangent అమ్మా. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నా? ఐఎమ్ నాట్ డూయింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్. 10 లైన్ మెయిన్ లైన్ కి ఎక్కడ తీసుకొని వెళ్తున్నాను? M దగ్గర, కీపింగ్ ప్యారలల్ టు n dash line, and from that I will draw. This is T dash. I know the relation between tangent and normal. Simple procedure, but target came చేయాలి. This point, PQ line where it cuts. First take mark M as per given condition. After marking, take CP as a radius, M as a center point, cut CD line. Once you cut CD line, take that CD line point, join with origin. Once you joined origin, you come to know that that point we somewhere it touch PQ line, because PQ is the base of the object. Flyover base amma. From that point, if you join with M, it acts as a normal. And then normal to, what is the relation between normal and tangent? Is perpendicular. Passing through M, if you draw, that acts as a tangent. This is the way you have to draw the picture. Got it?
Sir, what is the point name that you marked for tangent, sir?
Tangent, ఏం లేదమ్మా, tangent only passing through M, I drawn perpendicularly. ఇక ఈ రీతి పెట్టాను. M ఉంది నా, ఆల్రెడీ M is there నా. Tangent and normal passing through M only amma. S and M is a one combination, perpendicular to yes amma.
Sir, can you say once again, sir, tangent and normal?
Yes, 100 times I will say, but every time compass I will show only. Take O as a center point. Take which one as a center point? O as a center point. Measure 130. How much it is given in question?
130.
130.
How much? 130. Measure 130. Mark that point on the curve. This is the point I marked on the curve. How much? 130. There are two probability here as well as here, but I am drawing on one probability only. So this is the point. Okay. Where it cuts the curve, I marked as M. Then I know CP as a radius, CP rolling objects radius, M as a center point, cut CD line. This is the CD line. Cut CD line. I cut the CD line. And wherever I cut CD line, join that point with origin O, because the circle total base is lying with respect to origin only. I join. But when I am joining, I will come to know that it is passing through PQ. So where it passing through PQ, I will mark that point as S. And S and M, if you draw, it acts as a normal. And perpendicular to normal is tangent. Perpendicular to tangent, normal is tangent. Got it? I will take attendance. Jagratam cheyalamma. It needs a lot of practice. Yes, any doubts? Already it is time over. Okay. So we will wind up. Whenever we will meet, you have any doubts, I will clarify. On that day, last topic is left is hypocycloid. If that topic is over, your unit 1 is completed. Right? Any doubts?
Sir, one say after M, sir.
M ledamma. M is given with distance of 130 mm. How much it is given, amma? 130. Something you name X. That X join with origin. And then while joining, it is cutting PQ line. Baseline important, amma. In earlier figure also you see cycloid. We taken PQ referendum. Here also we are taking PQ referendum. Right. So that baseline join with M acts as a normal. Perpendicular to normal is tangent. Right? Practice it. You have any doubts, we will clarify in next class. Okay? Right,
Sir,
thank
how
you.
you
Yes, Chapu. Yes,
sir,
tell
how
me,
you
amma.
got theta equals to smaller by capital R into 360 degrees, sir?
ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಮ್ಮ, ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ರಾಸನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ theta is equal to small r by capital R into it is predefined formula. When two angular objects we are considering, you have to use this formula. Why you not asked me why we used pi value, sir? Pi is also predefined. This formula is also predefined. So that's why angular object is a formula. That's why I wrote first formula and then put the value according to my object. That formula you have to remember. And this formula we will use so many times. Don't worry about that. Whenever two circular objects comes into picture, this formula will comes into picture. Right? Pythagoras theorem, fixed amma. You cannot change. Can you change? Newton's first law, can you change? No, these all are predefined entities. Okay. You can create new law, but you cannot question their integrity. Right? See you. Bye.